Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another unboxing. In today's video, we will have a look at a San Martin or San Martin. Depends however you like to call it, and depends where you're from. And today's model is the SN020-G. The reason we actually picked this up, by the way, I'll leave links into the description box below. They are affiliate links. You know how it works. The reason why I picked this up is because it is a watch that is under 40 millimeters, and I have a thing for small watches. Now I have, at the moment, I'm wearing on my wrist, I'm wearing my Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic, and this is actually 38 millimeters. And this is a new release, well, a relatively new release from San Martin. And I specifically wanted to pick it up because it's very, very simple. You guys will see how it looks like. This one cost me around 229 euros, something around those lines, and a bit more in dollars. Again, links into the description box below. But what I've noticed so far is that AliExpress at the moment started charging for, maybe it's just Ireland that is going through that issue, but they are charging import duties. So this might cost you a bit more, depends on where you're from. I missed a spot here. Depends on where you're from. Some of them do, some of them don't. I don't know what it is. Obviously, if they are charging tax, they are charging tax on everything, but I guess we'll see. So just keep that in mind depending on where you are if you're buying this in Ireland. Now, let me put this box away. Oh, that's the noise there. So, this time the screws and the screwdriver, not screws, the small little screwdriver and the spring bars, and this one is a spring bar removal tool are outside. Normally they used to be inside in this little plastic box here. So this is, I think it's called a Pelican style case or box. They all come in this one, and these are the only ones that San Martin are shipping their watches in. Now this one was easier to open as opposed to the other ones. Now, so we have a blue NATO strap. NATO straps are always a good or welcome addition, a welcome present. So this is a free NATO strap, 20 millimeter width, which is nice, with gray on the side there. I've never used the previous ones, even that I had on the previous San Martins. Warranty card, barcode, and a manual that obviously I will not intend to use or read. Now let me put this away. And the watch is nicely protected in this. She is gorgeous. He is gorgeous. It actually looks a bit bigger than I expected it to look. Now, immediately off the bat, I see something that I was expecting to see and I was actually looking forward to. I've seen a couple of reviews online on this watch. Now, I will probably try and speed this up as I'm going through for the taking off the plastic protector off. So now, hopefully in video time, this won't take as long. That is gorgeous, by the way. I love that dial. So this pays homage to, I think it's 1950s first Rolex Explorer. Smith's watches, I think they do a version of this, the Everest. Now, I think this is slightly bigger. The Everest is 36 millimeters, I think, and not 39 like this one. I'm not entirely sure, haven't had one of those, but I actually have to say I kind of like this. Now, there you go, guys. That actually looks really, really nice. I love it. The dial looks a bit bigger than I expected it to look for a 39 millimeter watch. Now, you have these female end links, and as you can see, the watch doesn't look as big as you would expect it to look on the wrist still. We'll put this on the wrist in a second. I see they signed the crown as well. First impressions on the crown. And the S on the Summerton there, it's not particularly, looks like it's like a dollar sign, but then again, they went away from the shark logo that used to be on those crowns and had no connection whatsoever. Have polished bracelet here. I like the way it tapers down, and I think the clasp it's a new design, like I said. San Martin logo there, very nice. I love these pushers. Now they are a bit, because I have this little tag here, so let me just, nope. I'm gonna use my trusty knife and almost destroy the studio there. And I will cut this. That was sharper than expected. I don't know why I said sharper than expected. There you go, guys. Noise from the lens there. I wasn't expecting to hear the noise from the lens. That's good. I'm not particularly impressed. Maybe after I wear it, it feels a bit rattly. Maybe I didn't get the best example, but something I wasn't particularly expecting from them. Again, new design. The buttons, I don't know if you can hear that. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just exaggerating a little. Let me put this on the wrist to show you guys how it looks like. Take this off, by the way. So I am wearing this on a Strapsco leather strap. There's going to be a link in the description box for a Strapsco so you can check them out. There you go. This wears quite nice, I would say. To the wrist. Yeah. I like it. It doesn't 100% connect with me. I feel that the dial is a bit big for the size of the watch. I like this kind of like box dome sapphire crystal. They do say it's sapphire. Now I don't have a diamond selector to diamond tester to test out if it's sapphire. There are other methods, but still. So yeah, guys, that was it. That was the unboxing and first impressions for the San Martin SN020-G, I think it is. Thank you very much for tuning in. Click a like, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this video and if you want to see more. Thank you very much again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.